In this exercise, we'll solve an inequality and we'll write set notation for the answer. The inequality that we'll be solving is 12x is less than or equal to 60. Now I want to get x alone on the left-hand side of this inequality, and I can do that by dividing both sides by 12. The multiplication principle for inequalities says that if I divide both sides of an inequality by a positive number, I don't change the sense of the inequality. So I can write the inequality symbol still as less than or equal to, because I'm dividing by the positive number 12 on both sides. Now I have 12x over 12, which is 1 times x, or just x, and that's less than or equal to 60 divided by 12, which is 5. So writing set notation for the answer, we would say that the solution set is the set of all x such that x is less than or equal to 5.